Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the Timewise set, and this is how I do my skincare. These are the products that I use on a daily routine and I just love them so much. This is an anti-aging skincare routine. There's other skincare routines available for different types of skin types, so I can always leave that in the description below, but this is the Timewise anti-aging. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is use our cleanser. This even takes off makeup. It's so good. It smells so amazing. And it's a 4-in-1 cleanser. So not only does it cleanse your face, but it exfoliates your face, it tones your face, and it brightens your face. So it's all 4 in this one cleanser. So you don't have to do a whole bunch of products on your table. You can just use this one and it will really cleanse your face. I still use my oil-free eye makeup remover to clean, my eyes, because I just don't want to really rub my eyes with this, just because I don't want to sag my eyes even more. But this does remove your makeup, if you guys were wondering. So I'm going to be applying the cleanser onto my brush. I love this brush. It's amazing. It has 3 different speeds. So I'm just going to apply this. I kind of wet the brush a little bit so it can be full. So we're just going to apply just like that. And then we're just going to apply it all over our face. So a little bit about this brush. It has 3 different speeds. Right now I'm using the lowest speed, but you can go to 2 other different speeds. It's an automatic timer, so it goes for 60 seconds. And that's how long you should be cleaning your face. So I'm just going to be waiting until it stops for a full minute. And there you go, it stopped. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're going to grab a damp washcloth and we're going to remove our cleanser. Isn't this towel so cute, you guys? Like, look at this. Look at that. Isn't it so cute? It's huge. It's 100% cotton and it has the little hook so you can put right next to your sink. But if you guys want one of these, it's a sale going on with when you buy a charcoal mask, you get this for free. So I'm gonna leave my site down below so you guys can get yourself one of these. But we're just going to wipe away our cleanser right now. So yeah, so again, this is it's huge, look at that. So this is the washcloth, and if you get a charcoal mask, you get this for free. So I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys can check that out. I'm so excited. I love this so much. So the next thing that we're going to be applying is our eye cream. And this eye cream, honey, it really helps with your dark spots, helps with your wrinkles all around your eyes. It is just amazing, and it's so refreshing and moisturizing. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my ring finger, and I'm just going to pat that all over my eyes. So the last thing for this routine is either the day cream or the night cream. And I'm going to be using the day cream so I can put on some makeup for the rest of the day. But the day cream has SPF 30, and you guys can just wear this if you guys aren't really a makeup person. But you guys can just wear this and still be protected throughout the day. But yeah, these 2 are amazing. Oh, and the what I'm using is combination to oily. So the purple is combination to oily, and if you have like normal to really dry skin, you're going to be using the one that has the pink on there. But on my website, it completely explains everything for you, whether you have a combination to oily skin or whether you have normal to dry skin. So that's the routine that you're going to be using for you. So this day cream, again, it has SPF 30, so you can just use this without using any makeup, and you'll still be protected throughout your whole day. It's very rich, and you don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. So about the SPF 30, a lot of people think that whenever you use SPF, it's going to leave like a white residue all over your face. This one doesn't. So we're just going to be applying, and it won't leave a white residue on your face. It's going to completely disappear. You see? And it smells so good. I wish you guys can smell this. going to put a little bit on my neck. But yeah, so that was the day cream. Again, it has SPF 30 and it doesn't leave that white residue. So thank you guys so much for watching this updated skincare routine on my Timewise. I know I've really had to update that. But yeah, that's the product that I use every single day, the Timewise Anti-Aging Miracle Set 3D. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.